this one. There's one more here. One more. Alright, palakpakan natin ang rectangle. Music. Okay, it's time to ask a birthday message from mommy and daddy. May prepared speech si ma'am daw.
Baka iyak ka ba? Ang cellphone mo.